Hello, my name is Gloria Castillo, and this is the Milestone 1 video for the level prototype EyeSpy. I'm going to start off with the first milestone area, which was creating thumbnails for item inventory. And I've gotten these thumbnails. This is the first thumbnail. These thumbnails are going to match up with the items that the player can pick up. And I've got 8, which is the minimum items I'm going to go for. I might expand on that later on, but that's if I have enough time and if I want to expand on it. I've also gotten done, I've gray boxed the first level here. Over here on this side, it's we've got glass. If I can, I can't pick it up. But I've got glass on this area, and it's overlooking my test area. This is where I try out all blueprints and everything before I put it into the level. And here is just basically what is a reception area. These blocks are signifying couches is what I want to put here, and a reception desk over here on this area right there, and over here is going to be 2 little offices that the player can go in and explore. And this level is still pretty rough. We've got our steps leading up here. They're a little hazardously placed. Got our door, our second level. I actually decided to make it a 2.5 since it's also got this little drop down area where I guess the bigger boss has their own office space. It's rather spacious and drops down. You can climb up here where I'm hoping to put workstations in these areas, like desks and computers, chairs. And separated off over here is going to be separate work areas, desks, tables, and we're going to have offices, smaller boxed in out offices in these areas, and meeting rooms, I guess. And on this area I'm going to try and add like a little recreational area, so if the corporation had kind of like a break room, I'm guessing, is what I'm shooting for here. We've got this door that also, this is rather hazardly placed steps, not at all OSHA approved, that leads up to the laboratory area. I think I'm going to move over the door a bit so the hallway is more prevalent and the player gets a choice of going either left or right. If the player goes right, they're going to be met over here in this area, which is also kind of small cubicle offices. And this area, which is another small meeting area. Player goes left, however, we're going to come to this area. I haven't put in the door quite yet, but it's going to be, if it's not a lock and key door, I'm hoping to make a passcode door where the player can input a passcode into the door and be able to let through, but that's only if time allows. That's just an extra thing I'm going to hopefully shoot for. And each station, each 4 little blocks here, I'm hoping to make like a station for separate things because this corporation is evil and they're meddling in a bunch of different areas. Some in technology, some in biohazard, medical field, and all that fun stuff, with just a big table here in the middle where they can where people can come and interact with that. This door is going to be a lock and key door where the player will pass through, enter another smaller office area, and go through this final door, which will end the game, which will basically, if this were a complete game, it would take the player to level 4 of this game. And Also, what I've gotten done is the flickering lights trigger. Let's see. Oh, and I'm reusing an older model and user interface that I used in the previous level design. I've also got the basic objectives on the top left. Nothing changes even if you pass through those items. Nothing will change as of now. That's for later milestone. And we pass through here. We have the light flickering, and we've got our locked door, which says it's locked up there. I gotta change the area where it's at. But if we pick up this lovely little key here, we'll destroy the key, and the door opens. And we've also got our regular opening door. Just hit E and it'll open. And I think we've got this door over here. That one's not automatically opening. So this one down here. Yep, that one's an automatically opening door. And that's my milestone 1 for now.